Okay, I'm in big trouble this morning because we finally got around to opening the 3 parcels that I had ordered for plaster ceiling roses. So if you have a look down here, this is the first one. Steve nearly had an epi fit when he realised it's actually all in beautiful pieces. I didn't want to buy something that was just naff. I've bought
Even the cat's quite surprised at what you've done here.
I wanted to buy something that was authentic, and these are made by the traditional method of plastering. So that one there is all in pieces. It's got to go up on one of the ceilings. This rather beautiful one here appears to be more simplified because if you have a look on here, Stephen, probably from the top you'll see the pic. It's like a moulded, beautiful pattern, that's got to go. That's intended for our bedroom actually. So that's that one. And then the third one. This is what's probably giving Steve the most nightmares. We've got one big solid piece of plaster here, but all of these bits, I'm sorry Steve, have got to be put on separately. Can you see? How on earth we are going to actually get these on the ceilings and then obviously to stay on the ceiling so they don't fall off. Well, we've got a little while to figure it out. I think we need to go and do some YouTube hunting. We did have a little bit of a breakage, look. 2 little ones here broken. But it all makes it more authentic. It'll all look fine when it's on the ceiling. We just now have to figure out how we're going to do it.